Let's say that you were just about to start a new Algebra 1 section and you wanted to add some new stuff to your material. One of the places that you could look is here on ORVSD, and you might want to get some fresh ideas from a place called Hippocampus, which is a product of the Monterey Institute for Technology and Education, and they've got a range of really cool stuff. To get there, first thing you have to do is come down here and sign in to or VSD, and take me just a second here. As soon as you are logged in, you'll notice that the screen changes just a little bit, and at the very top you'll see your login name up here, and you have access to your account and so on. What we're going to do here is go to Explore. Once you're there, you'll notice that your login name is up here, and that means that you're actually in and you can use these with full access rights. What we're going to do now is we're going to scroll down and click on the Hippocampus section, and as soon as we get there, we can find that there is in fact an algebra section here, as well as one in Spanish, you'll notice, and we'll click on that and you'll see that there is a quite an extensive list of principles that are covered in this course, and we're going to pick this first one here. It's about real numbers, and you're going to see soon that this is a pretty elegant kind of multimedia lesson.
In order to work with algebra, we need to use numbers. Any number that can be used to represent something, such as a distance, a length, or a price, is known as a real number. The set of real numbers is actually made up of several different groups or sets of numbers. Here's a game called The Universe of Real Numbers. We'll use it to learn about the different sets of numbers contained in the set of real numbers. Each level of the universe has one or more parts labeled with the name of a number group. Each part of the universe has a list of numbers.
Now you'll notice here that the explanation for this game is pretty straightforward, but the commentator doesn't really give you any instructions about how to do this, except that you are invited to move these numbers from where they are beneath these two pictures into the pictures. And if you know about rational numbers, you'll know that minus 26 is in fact a rational number, and so on. But you might not know exactly what the trick is here, and students who come to this will just be fascinated by that, and they'll keep working at it until they figure it out, which is a pretty cool trick. You'll notice that there are many other areas to explore in Hippocampus, and all of them have really extensive multimedia lessons. Now, some of these lessons are, like the one that we just looked at, really interactive learning sessions, and others are videos that are just designed to be played. That is the kind that you might want to use real audio to record and bring directly into your lesson. These other ones that are interactive don't lend themselves to that kind of recording very well, but what you would do instead, once you find one of these, is you'll go right up here and capture the URL for this and paste that into one of your lessons. The next step here is to take what you've gathered here and bring it back in and begin a Moodle course, and you can do that again right from the beginning opening pages here in on the ORVSD site by creating a Moodle course. Hope this will kind of encourage you to take a look at some of these courses. They're fascinating, and they're all over the curriculum map, so there's plenty here to choose from. Good luck.